Hey everyone. So, as a parent, I've really tried to inculcate the habit of reading in my children. I started off with that when they were really young, maybe even about 7 months. It's not like a education or like a syllabus or where you're teaching them something and they must remember it or that kind of activity, but just to visually stimulate the brain even from 7 months age, to show them books and images, and as you keep talking they will listen. And because of this, I think my children have really picked up a very good vocabulary, both in Telugu and in Hindi, which is my husband's language, and Telugu is my mother tongue. So I think a lot of credit to books and storytelling by both of us for them to pick up memory. They have really good memory. They're able to recite lots of shlokas and narrate a lot of stories, I think, even at 3 years age, because we have started off really young. And there's one company whose books I always like and always purchase from Amazon, and this is not sponsored by them obviously in any way, so I just wanted to highlight that. This company is Om Kids. Okay, here you go. So it says Om Books International, and this is one of the books that I've ordered for my children, and this is about Devis. So this talks about the five Devis: Durga, Kali, Lakshmi and virtue, and again Saraswati. So this really helps them. They may not understand the concept of gods and goddesses and good, right or wrong, maybe even, but they find these images something that they is visually very stimulating for them. They're able to put pieces of information together and maybe develop a sort of visual memory. And I think this Om Books is doing a fantastic job with the kind of illustrations that they have on various books, and also to see, this is again Durga Mata and Mahishasura. So it's just really interesting, and there's so much that we can learn as adults as well from these books. So I just wanted to say that if you want to help your children learn about maybe the Hinduism and the Hindu stories, mythological story, and we have so many of them, right? I'm sure even as adults we don't know everything because we don't like follow one book. So there's just so many aspects and so many versions of it as well, I think. So to just help them get interested in these topics, just telling these stories would be very important, and to develop some sort of cultural identity. Tomorrow when they grow up, they might stay in India or go abroad, but just to make sure that they don't get brainwashed easily, or they don't succumb to the whole narrative we see these days of anything Western is intellectual, and anything that's close to your cultural identity is always subordinate. I think that is pushed across in so many messages, and I just for them to be really strong about their own cultural identity, please go buy a lot of books from Om Books. And I usually order it on Amazon, but I hope it helps all of you as well. They have books about Hanumanji, Krishna, so many stories. So just go check it out. And please do subscribe to North Indian, South Indian Reactions for more videos on food, travel, opinions, and reactions.